So I like props, all right? This is gonna be a prop. We're gonna pretend this crack on the floor is what's called the geometric center line of the truck. That goes right down through the center of the truck, right? So ideally, we wanna set the axle to be perpendicular to the geometric center line of the truck. Okay, making sense? We want it to be a 90-degree angle. If it's off one way or the other, that truck's not gonna track straight, it's gonna wear tires. This truck right now, it's a negative thrust angle, okay? Negative points to the driver's side. He's the one that's gonna complain about his alignment. Negative, driver's side. Positive is gonna point to the passenger side. Positive passenger. Should be pretty simple to remember, right?
Kind of like, you know how some people, like, when they have a lot of money, they camber their wheels?
Yeah.
Is that kind of what it kind of is?
Not quite. So that you're talking something that would look like this. We're talking something that would looks like this,
With the Hondas.
right? So we're looking, this back axle would be pointed like this or like this. It'd be like dog tracking,
Okay.
right? So it'd be a little more like that. Not quite like, I don't know what they call that, but I don't know what you call that. Camber. I know it's camber, right? But I don't know what that style is called.
I don't know.
Okay. So again, our measurement we had was negative 0.05. So is this back axle pointed to the driver's side or the passenger side? Which way is negative? Driver, right? So it's 0.05 of a degree off. So if you think about that, like really, really try to understand what we're talking about. So we're talking if this was a protractor, and this would be, this would be 90 degrees, right? We changed, we're 0.05 of a degree out. So we're sitting instead of like here, we're sitting like here. It's so small, right? But it has to be perfect for trucks. No, you can't see that. I got a really good calibrated eyeball for alignments. I can't see 0.05 of a degree. No tape measure that you use can you see 0.05 of a degree. That's not going to happen, right? But we are so tiny. We're going to put like a 1/16 of an inch shim in there and be able to dial it in, right? It's so small of what you're actually moving, but that's what it has to be for trucks because it costs so much money to operate these trucks, right? You guys have to dial it in. That's why people are going to come here to get alignments done because you guys are going to understand how precise these actually are. Okay, so we're literally, this truck is sitting like that. We're going to move it to that. Super small. Got it?